children, today you will be able to identify the external part of plants that help them survive, which are leaves, flowers, and fruits. How do they help in survival of the plants? Let's see. Which part of the plant is this? Yes, it's a leaf. Correct. Now, how does leaf help the plants? Leaf help to make the food. How? Leaf have some green material which helps them to absorb the sunlight. The sunlight when reaches the leaves and when the water from the roots reaches the leaves along with the air, that is the carbon dioxide, or air reaches the leaves, it helps plant to make its food. This is how the leaves help the plant. So leaves help plants to make food. It absorbs the sunlight, air and water to make food. Now let's have a look at this picture. This is a flower. Do you know which flower is it? It is an apple flower. It grows on apple trees. How do we get apples? Let us see. Here, have a look. This is the flower of apple. Inside this part of the flower are seeds. They are very tiny now. When the flower starts growing, this part of the flower starts becoming the fruit. And the fruit protects the seed. So flowers help to make fruits within which are the seeds, and from seeds we get a new plant. So flowers help to make fruit. Fruits protect the seed inside it so that from the seed we can get a new plant.